Hi everyone, I'm Sylvia and you're watching my channel Amara. Today I will unbox the Prisma Vision Tarot. I already opened the package and inside is the Prisma Vision Tarot I bought from the Little Red Tarot. Here's the website, as you see. So, most of you know that there is another deck similar to this one, which is in black and white, and it's called the Light Vision Tarot. The Light Vision Tarot was from Kickstarter, so I bought the other one, the deck in colors. So, here is the deck. It comes in a box, which I will try to open. Maybe just a moment. Okay. So it looks like this. Here we have a golden foil with the eye. So the back, the Prisma Vision Tarot, a set of cards to ease your mind, 79 cards, illustrated by James R. Eads, includes a 100-page guidebook. It's the 5th edition, 2019. Looks like this. Really very sturdy box. Inside we have again the eye, and here is written: the fool believes he is someone he is not, wading through waters for something unsought. The magician plays tricks in the dark of the night, refracting the light of all future sight. A set of cards to tease your mind, revealing the past, present, future combined. Okay, so let's go to the book. The Visions Guide instructional booklet. Looks like this. We have a note from the creator, getting to know the deck, conducting a reading, the major arcana, the magic of wands, the ballad of chalices, the song of swords, the rise of pentacles, and about the altar. Okay. So we have here some spreads, the vision, the Celtic cross, the past life spread. So here are the cards, the major arcana. So we have something from the depiction from the picture. So we have here one page for each, and for the minor arcana I think we have the same. Yes, page. Okay, and here you see the eye is open and here is closed. So the eye is a symbol of spiritual awakening and protection, and it comes so far as I know from Northern Africa and Middle East, the hand of Hamsa or Fatima. And the Hamsa has been traced to ancient Mesopotamia and ancient Carthage. You see, the sides are silver gilded. The cards are slippery. The stock is it's a thick one, and it's not matte. It's not matte. Okay. So let's start. Here is the full. Maybe you see better. You see the movement of the water and the clouds. It reminds me of Van Gogh, the Starry Sky. The Magician. It's a silhouette against the moon, and he has the stars within him. The journey is within himself. You have some branches, some trees, and as you see, the scenery of the major arcana is night scenery. The High Priestess, she's nude. The moon is again present. The water and her reflection in the water, and here the pomegranate, of course. So we feel that it's all about emotions and subconsciousness and the psyche. The Empress, again, this sense of movement. We have the crown of stars again, fertility. The Emperor, we feel the Aries energy, the skulls here, so 4 skulls and this one, also the scepter. There is also a movement, a sense of movement again. The Hierophant, the Taurus holding a key and scripts. And his hand like for blessing. The Lovers. I don't know if you see, but the men, they have crown masks. Again, pools of water, reflections, like dancing a waltz. The Chariot, it's a very unusual card, but here we have again night scenery, water, bird. The Strength, they look like dandelions, these lions here, like flowers, and the person is walking among them, like staying alive, deep rooted in life. The Hermit, a very peaceful scenery, reflection in the water. Again, the moon is present. The Wheel of Fortune. Here we have peacocks and snakes. The snakes are symbol of transformation, and the peacocks of pride. So we have both. The Justice. Here we see a snake which bites the hand. And the sword which cut the snake. Sharper the bite, the sharper the sword. So like karma, everything goes back. The Hanged Man, it's a person in a stormy ocean. We see his bones, and the piranhas are just waiting to eat him. The feeling is like surrender to the movement, be calm. The Death card. Here we have a Pawn Hand and the Rose. Again, sense of motion and dance, life after death. The death is not the end. The Temperance, here we have an ocean and two cups, so like there is an ocean between us, and we have to fill these cups, but carefully and not too much. I don't know. The Devil. It's interesting because I don't really get the card. It's autumn scenery. There are trees, a wood. Maybe I have to check what is written in the book. See if I can get it. The Devil. Like false reality. You are being taken in, and soon you will be lost irrecoverably to the bleak and silent forest. Okay, so I understand now. The Tower. There's a house on a cliff on the bay, and it's about to tumble down to the ocean beneath. Sorry. So we have to fortify here so that the house doesn't fall down. The Star. There is a woman flying, a sense of joy. Lily is here. The Moon, so traditional image, the two walls, the moon, but we have here the boat so that we can move through our fears. The Sun, very beautiful card. A joy, surreal picture, blessing, melting in the sun. The Judgment card. It's like a window in the cosmos, in the universe. A journey crossing. Crossing the boundaries. The World card. I like because in this card you can see all of the depictions in the previous cards. Here we have the eye, the peacock, the sun, the moon, everything. And here we have which is this card? Reverie. So which edition has an extra card? And this one is the Reverie. Maybe I can see what does it mean. The Reverie. If this card comes up in a reading, know that the Reverie is always ready for you. If you ever need to dip into another reality, you have the memories in your mind to stitch together your own perfect piece. But you also must understand that it is possible to spend too much time in another reality. The balance between the two is something you can only teach yourself. And he's written, readers may opt to take Reverie out from their deck as it is not a part of the original arcana. The choice is yours to make. Okay. So let's go to the minor arcana. Maybe some of you know that the minor arcana put together, they make a picture, they tell a story. So I will try, I don't know if I have the place, but I will try to show you the picture. Whole picture. So maybe let's do 4 of them. See the Ace of Wands, 2, 3, and 4 of Wands. And the time changes from morning to dawn and night. So we have here the rest of the cards. You see here the movement, the fire in each card, and how the energy is different. The movement is different from the energy. Let's go to the chalices here, not cups, chalices. You see the colors, so beautiful, really. And you see it's a Rider-Waite Smith. So the sunset, and now we are going into the night scenery. Maybe I have to show you that because this is a water dragon. See, we have another dragon right here. The swords. It's a winter time. I think each of the suits there is a particular season. See, Three of Swords, the dead animal, here is this giant swan. I think it's like in the Rider-Waite Smith deck. It's like dreaming something bad. Having a bad dream. Again, second one. Queen and the King. Here are the Pentacles.